Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video on eyebrow threading. And the reason I wanted to make a video is because I saw that a lot of people do it using their mouth to hold the thread, or I've also seen a technique where they try to explain it, something about wrapping the finger and then holding the spool of thread. I thread people all the time and I couldn't even follow along with that video. I don't even understand how they do it. So I think my technique's a little bit simpler, and so I thought it'd be good just for people who are curious. When they get threaded, they can't really see what it looks like, and a lot of people ask me, and just in case you wanted to try to do it on your own, I thought this was a simpler method. So just first thing, I usually cleanse the skin with witch hazel. I think witch hazel is great. Cleans the skin really well without irritating it, and I don't recommend it to use daily or anything like that, but for something like threading, it's great to do before and after. Also, for people who are really sensitive, after I'll usually put a hydrocortisone cream just to help with the redness. Some people are so sensitive that they get welts or it causes them to break out, and I find that the hydrocortisone helps prevent all of those things, or at least helps it go away faster. So first thing, I always use 100% cotton thread. I take about this much of it, but I guess it would be about like 16 inches maybe. But really, this is personal preference, and it's something that once you start practicing with it, you might want it shorter or longer. Everybody's a little bit different. But basically, you take the thread, you make a little loop, and tie the knot like I did there. You hold it like this and twist it. I usually count about 7 or 8 times. And now you're left with these 2 little triangles. Reminds me of that kids game that, I don't know what it's called. But anyway, you're gonna use this little twisted area as a guide. So when you're doing the left side, you're gonna be pushing with the right. When you're doing the right side, you're gonna be pushing with the left. You wanna get it close to the skin so that you're not breaking the eyebrow hair off. And basically you use the thread as a guide. So it's perfectly straight line. So you use this to guide you, and as you push it, you can really shape the eyebrow. This is something that I learned in about 5 minutes. My friend in high school taught me. Obviously, it took a long time of practice to really perfect the technique and learn how to shape eyebrows, but it's something that you can try on somebody's arm or your leg or anything, just to try to learn how to remove the hair, and then you can gain more control with it. I think this is just more sanitary than putting it in your mouth, and it's very useful, and you can do it to do your own lip or above your eyebrows. I don't usually recommend threading your own eyebrows underneath because you can't really pull the skin nice and taut. It's very difficult to pull the skin tightly when you do it to yourself to close that eye, so it's hard to really shape them. So I usually, when I do my own, I'll thread here and around, and then I'll kind of pluck in between. Underneath. So that's it. Quick demo, and I hope you find this interesting. Let me know.